Hello there, this is Julie at the Paper Haven and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK, and I'm trying to do more videos on my YouTube channel other than just my weekly live. So today I am coming to you with one of the new kits, and it is, I've forgotten the name, it's Expression something. I should have looked at that before the video. With the Expressions of Kindness kit. It's had quite a lot of love on the socials, has this kit, because it's a really, really gorgeous little kit, and it's what we call an all-inclusive kit. So it's a stamping kit. You get all your card bases and envelopes sort of shrink wrapped in there, and then we have a mini stamping spot that's in Blackberry Bliss. And then you have the little stamp set. Okay, that's a set of 5 stamps. Then you've actually got a little reel of ribbon as well. So shall we have a look at the kit? I'm just grabbing my scissors and showing you what everything else that we have inside the kit. Oops. Okay, so all of our kits do come with this grey board, which is great for practicing your stamping on, or for resting on actually on your desk. So what do we have in here? Well, we have the very important instructions. So this kit does make 8 cards, 2 of each design. Just checking that I'm in screen. Yeah. And with matching envelopes. Now the envelopes are as gorgeous as the cards themselves. Just look at these. So there's 4 of those, absolutely beautiful. And then these ones, I don't know which I like best. I think I like that one because I like the room there to write. And then we have the card bases, and again these are actually really, really stunning, and I don't know if you can see the gold foiling on there. So there's 4 of those, and then there's 4 watercolour background ones. They have got a little sort of mottled pattern on the back, so they are printed front and back. And then you've got all your bits and bobs. So you've got your labels for stamping on. Now, one thing I love about these kits, they tend to always come with an extra piece. So you only need 4 of each of these, and there's 5 on here. So we allow 1 for error. Then you've got the die cut pieces that we use on the cards, and then some gold. Okay. Put those to one side, and then we've still got more. In here, you do get your own block, so if you've never stamped before, you're good to go, because this is what we attach our stamps to if you're a brand new stamper. And you also get some foam pads. We call them dimensionals, but foam pads to anyone who's not in the know with the lingo. Then you have these little glue dots. These are actually glue dots. And then we've got some little shiny embellishments. So there's lots going on in this kit, and I thought I'd have a go at making one of the cards with you, if you fancy that. So I thought I would do card, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I'll do card number 2, I think, which is this one here. All right, so, oh, it's actually steps 1 and 2 are on the back here, I think. Oh no, that's not. Ah, I see. So, yeah, I'm just looking. I was looking at that envelope, and yeah, so the plainer envelope is designed to go with the fancier card, so they go together. And then the fancy envelope is designed to go with the plainer card. Okay, so I was looking at the envelope and thinking, hang on, that's not card number. So this is card number 2. Okay, so here we've just got pictures and steps showing you, I hope you can see that on screen, how to make the card. And one of the little stamps that's had the most love in this set, it's a tiny little stamp and it says kindly deliver to, and I love that. I think that's so nice. And of course you can use that with other stamps. Right, so let's have a go. I'm just going to pop this to the side for easy reference. You might not see that on your screen, but I'll show you what we're doing. So we're going to take this funny little looking image. I'll show you that one. Okay. I'm going to open up our stamping spot. There we go. Okay, and we're going to take one of these die cuts. Now carefully pop this out. They are quite delicate. Anybody who knows me well knows I'm not always very delicate. I'm not a delicate kind of girl. So we're going to just pop that on our work surface. Actually, let's pop it on here so you can see it a little better perhaps. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stamp these on here just to give a little bit of detail to the image. Now, it's a small ink pad, so take the ink pad to the stamp. And then we're going to stamp on here. So it's just giving a little bit of detail. So can you see the difference between the two? Okay, so we've done that side, and then we need to stamp the words just a note. So you just take your stamp off the block, and then we're going to take just a note, pop it face down on your thing, and then grab it with the block. And oh, I've got stuff all over the place. Julie, tidy up. Going to take one of these little die cuts. Now you can do them all at once, or you can stamp on them while they're in the sheet. So just lightly tap, it's only a small stamp. Just a note. There we go. Put that to one side. And while we've got the ink pad open, we can grab that stamp that says kindly deliver to. And we can grab an envelope. And get all our stamping done in one go then. And I'm going to pop that up there. Kindly deliver to. Okay, so we've done the envelope, we've done the label, and then the next step is we've done all our stamping, is to grab this gold piece. So this looks ultra delicate. You just need to remove it from the backing sheet. There we go. And what we're going to do is, it shows you here, they've put a little glue dot on the back. All right, so I'm going to show you how these work. Okay, I'm going to use my scissors. So on the back, I'm just going to turn that over. If you get it off with your scissors, okay, and then pop it down and then rub it, you should be able to pop the top off. Yeah, like that. And you've got your little glue dot then on the back of that gold. So we're just going to pop it. But what they've done is, on the pictures, they've just offset it slightly. So it should still stick to something. There we go, it's stuck down. And then we're going to lift that up, and it's telling us here to pop 3 little dots on the back of this. So we'll grab those little dots. Rub the back, and that should just pop off. Oops. There we go. Move this out of the way now. And then we're going to bring in the actual card base. Now I always work on them flat before I folded them because it's a lot easier. So we're just going to pop this on here. Like that. Okay. And then the last soft step here is it's telling you to cut some of your lovely ribbon to 15.9 centimetres or 6.25 inches. And look, we are so good here at Stampin' Up that we actually have a ruler, just trying to get into my ribbon, on the side of the instructions, so you don't even need a ruler. How cool is that? So we'll start, so it said 6.25 inches. So notes there, that's about there. I'm going to use my ribbon scissors. So I just keep these ones. I'm going to just do the ends on a slant. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold that back like that. We're going to sort of loop it back on itself like that. Okay. And we're going to take our label, pop that, well, I'll let go of that for now. No, actually, pop that on the back of the label. Let me just check I've got that right. Okay, like that. And then we're going to use our foam pads to sort of trap this down. You'll see what I mean. Oh, we need that to poke out there a bit. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So use them to stick the ribbon down. And then separate that there. And then pop one there. So it's sort of holding the ribbon down, but it's also going to stick this to the card. If you don't want to do the ribbon, if you think that's a bit too fancy, or you can't bear to cut it up, you want to use it on another project, then do that. It's your card. And then that's just going to go, let's not cut, let's just going to go here. Bring it over there a little. Like that. All right. And then finally, we've got a little picture telling us we just need to add 5 of the gems. 3 big ones and, no, 2 big ones and 3 little ones. So again, I'm using my trusty scissors just to get the ends, oops, just to get the ends under, okay? And I'm just following the picture. I love that it helps me, tells me, but if you're feeling more confident, you can do what you want. Okay, let's fold that back. And there we have a really, really easy card from the kit, all ready to send to someone. And that is really important. We do need to send the cards, okay? So it's nice to make them and look at them, but it's also really good to send a gorgeous handmade card to someone, especially if they weren't expecting it. So thank you for watching this little video. I'm sure I'll be back and I'll make the other card. If you're brand new to Stampin' Up and brand new to my channel and you would like a kit, then all the details of how you can purchase are in the description of the video. This kit is available for me to sell in the UK and also France, Germany, Netherlands and Austria and Ireland too, and Belgium. Oh gosh, I can't believe I forgot Belgium. And it's £22. Okay, so I would love to help you start your crafting journey, or maybe you've hit a bit of a bump in the road and you want to reignite your love for paper crafting. Then why not try a kit, because they're super easy. Everything can be packed away in the box after you've finished, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. So that is the great thing about our kits. My mum really likes the kits because she can just get them out. She doesn't like a lot of clutter and a lot of mess, okay? So she likes being able to get everything out. We don't have a lot of space. She lives in a flat. And then she can put things back in this box. Even her finished cards, she can keep them, and everything. The stamp, or actually put your stamp back on you. I'll put that in the bag, the stamps actually, because I've not cleaned it. So we'll just pop that in there. And then she can even pop, you can even pop the card you've made ready to use when you need it. And you can simply pop that away in a cupboard, and the next time you want to have a little crafty fix, then here you go. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, please do click the subscribe button and then hit the bell to get notifications of when I've uploaded or I'm live. See you soon. Bye.